अथ एकादशोऽध्यायः। अर्जुन उवाच मदनुग्रहाय परमम् गुह्यमध्यात्मसञ्ज्ञितम् यत्त्वयोक्तम् वचस्तेन मोहोऽयं विगतो मम।
Arjuna said, "By my hearing and instructions, you have kindly given me about these most confidential spiritual subjects. My illusion has now been dispelled."
भवाप्ययौ हि भूतानां श्रुतौ विस्तरशो मया त्वत्तः कमलपत्राक्ष माहात्म्यमपि चाव्ययम्।
O lotus-eyed one, I have heard from you in detail about the appearance and disappearance of every living entity and have realized your inexhaustible glories.
एवमेतत् यथार्थत्वम् आत्मानं परमेश्वर द्रष्टुमिच्छामि ते रूपम् ऐश्वरं पुरुषोत्तम।
O greatest of all personalities, O supreme form, though I see you here before me in your actual position, as you have described yourself, I wish to see how you have entered into this cosmic manifestation. I want to see that form of yours.
मन्यसे यदि तच्छक्यम् मया द्रष्टुमिति प्रभो योगेश्वर ततो मे त्वम् दर्शयात्मानमव्ययम्।
If you think that I am able to see your cosmic form, O my Lord, O Master of all mystic power, then kindly show me that unlimited universal self.
श्रीभगवानुवाच पश्य मे पार्थरूपाणि शतशोतसहस्रशः नानाविधानि दिव्यानि नानावर्णाकृतीनि च।
The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, "My dear Arjuna, O son of Preeta, see now my opulences, hundreds of thousands of varied divine and multicolored forms.
पश्यादित्यान् वसून् रुद्रान् अश्विनौ मरुतस्तथा बहून्यदृष्टपूर्वाणि पश्याश्चर्याणि भारत।
O best of the Bharatas, see here the different manifestations of Adityas, Vasus, Rudras, Aswini Kumaras, and all the other demigods. Behold the many wonderful things which no one has ever seen or heard of before.
इहैकस्थं जगत्कृत्स्नम् पश्याद्य सचराचरम् मम देहे गुडाकेश यच्चान्यद्द्रष्टुमिच्छसि।
O Arjuna, whatever you wish to see, behold at once in this body of mine. This universal form can show you whatever you now desire to see and whatever you may want to see in the future. Everything moving and non-moving is here completely in one place.
न तु मां शक्यसे द्रष्टुम् अनेनैव स्वचक्षुषा दिव्यं ददामि ते चक्षुः पश्य मे योगमैश्वरम्.
But you cannot see me with your present eyes. Therefore I give you divine eyes. Behold my mystic opulence.
Sanjaya uvacha एवमुक्त्वा ततो राजन् महायोगेश्वरो हरिः दर्शयामास पार्थाय परमं रूपमैश्वरम्.
Sanjaya said, O king, having spoken thus, the Supreme Lord of all mystic power, the personality of Godhead, displayed his universal form to Arjuna.
अनेकवक्त्रनयनम् अनेकाद्भुतदर्शनम् अनेकदिव्याभरणम् दिव्यानेकोद्यतायुधम्.
Arjuna saw in that universal form unlimited mouths, unlimited eyes, unlimited wonderful visions. The form was decorated with many celestial ornaments and wore many divine upraised weapons.
दिव्यमाल्याम्बरधरम् दिव्यगन्धानुलेपनम् सर्वाश्चर्यमयम् देवम् अनन्तम् विश्वतोमुखम्.
He wore celestial garlands and garments, and many divine scents were smeared over his body. All was wondrous, brilliant, unlimited, all expanding.
दिवि सूर्यसहस्रस्य भवेद्युगपदुत्थिता यदि भासदृशी सा स्यात् भासस्तस्य महात्मनः.
If hundreds of thousands of suns were to rise at once into the sky, their radiance might resemble the effulgence of the Supreme Person in that universal form.
तत्रैकस्थम् जगत्कृत्स्नम् प्रविभक्तमनेकधा अपश्यद्देवदेवस्य शरीरे पाण्डवस्तदा.
At that time Arjuna could see in the universal form of the Lord the unlimited expansions of the universe situated in one place, although divided into many thousands.
ततः स विस्मयाविष्टः हृष्टरोमा धनञ्जयः प्रणम्य शिरसा देवम् कृताञ्जलिरभाषत.
Then, bewildered and astonished, his hair standing on end, Arjuna bowed his head to offer obeisances and with folded hands began to pray to the Supreme Lord.
अर्जुन उवाच पश्यामि देवांस्तव देवदेहे सर्वांस्तथा भूतविशेषसङ्घा ब्रह्माणमीशम् कमलासनस्थम् ऋषींश्च सर्वान् उरगांश्च दिव्यान्.
Arjuna said, My dear Lord Krishna, I see assembled in your body all the demigods and various other living entities. I see Brahma sitting on the lotus flower as well as Lord Shiva and all the sages and divine serpents.
अनेकबाहोदरवक्त्रनेत्रम् पश्यामि त्वाम् सर्वतोऽनन्तरूपम् नान्तम् न मध्यम् न पुनस्तवादिम् पश्यामि विश्वेश्वर विश्वरूप.
O Lord of the universe, O universal form, I see in your body many arms, bellies, mouths and eyes, expanded everywhere without limit. I see in you no end, no middle and no beginning.
किरीटिनम् गदिनम् चक्रिणम् च तेजोराशिम् सर्वतो दीप्तिमन्तम् पश्यामि त्वाम् दुर्निरीक्षम् समन्तात् दीप्तानलार्कद्युतिमप्रमेयम्.
Your form is difficult to see because of its glorious effulgence, spreading on all sides like blazing fire or the immeasurable radiance of sun. Yet I see this glowing form everywhere, adorned with various crowns, clubs and discs,